Hello everyone, welcome again. Okay, so from this video, I'm going to start a series for Indian geography through map. So we'll be learning Indian geography, but not by books, but through maps. Okay, and I'll be taking some information from internet, and just it will be only focus. It will be focused only on maps. I feel like if you learn the map, you don't have to learn books that much for geography, Indian geography. So let's start. Sure. First, what is this slide saying? Like, you don't have to get bored, because if you are getting bored, then civil service is not for you. You can go, you can start a business, you can do anything. Okay. If you are getting bored, chal, next. What to do? I'm saying that you should know the state's location. Okay. Like most of the people I meet and like they're graduate and all, but they don't know where the states are. If I say where is Tripura, they'll be thinking, Tripura. Even if you're not preparing for civil service, you should know where the states are. Okay, don't be that much of dumb. Okay, it's your GK. So first pause the video. If you don't know where the states are, you have to learn where the states are. Like if I say Madhya Pradesh, this is your MP, Madhya Pradesh. If I say Kerala, you have to say this is your Kerala. Okay, it should be in your mind before studying Indian geography through maps. If I say Ladakh, you have to say this is the Ladakh. Okay, if I say Jammu and Kashmir, you have to say this is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, if I say Chhattisgarh, you have never visited Chhattisgarh, I bet that. Okay, and if you will never visit Chhattisgarh, I feel like if you don't have any work. Okay, so that's like least developed state, I can say Chhattisgarh and all. So this is your Chhattisgarh. Okay, so you should know where the states are. Okay, Tripura is here. This is your Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland. You have to learn all of this. This is your Arunachal Pradesh, AP. This is Assam. This is Meghalaya. This is West Bengal. This is your Odisha. This is your Andhra Pradesh. Okay, you should know the states are at least. Then you must be thinking, sir, this is the like brighter color and these colors are different. They go, this part is not the part of India. Though we draw the Indian map like that way, but this is not our part. Okay, this is like POK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. This is the part of Kashmir, but it is occupied by Pakistan. We'll discuss the all the borders and all the border dispute and who are the forces, which are the forces that guards our borders. We'll discuss everything. Okay. So, I forgot to plug the mic. Now I'm plugged in. Okay.
Okay, let's start. देखो, so we'll discuss in another video border dispute and which are the forces that guards our borders. Okay, in next video or next video. Okay, so this is not our part. This is Pakistan occupied Kashmir. This is also not our part. This is called Askai Chin. The name is Askai Chin. Askai Chin. Okay, this is controlled by China. Okay, so these are disputed borders. Okay, you should know. This is our Gujarat, this is Rajasthan, and this is yours Karnataka. This is Goa. Used to be favorite place for vacation, but not now. Okay, then this is Sri Lanka. This is a different state. Now observe this. India is full of diversity. Okay, so and as a civil service student, you should know this kind of people lives where? Punjabi people lives in Punjab side. Okay, the Bengali people lives in West Bengal. Marathi people, Muslim people, where the Muslim majority states are. Okay, so you should know all of this. Okay, next. Okay, now you have to understand that India has 28 states now. 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, so what are the union territories? Let's see. These are your union territories. First union territory is Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Chandigarh, Delhi, Dadra, Daman Diu and Nagar Haveli. This is merged. Okay, so these are one union territory now. Daman Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Puducherry and Andaman Nicobar Island. And you have to be careful that Puducherry is not a single place. Some part of Puducherry is in Andhra Pradesh, inside Andhra Pradesh. Some part of Puducherry is in Kerala. Some part of Puducherry is in your Tamil Nadu. So you might get a question like Puducherry is in which states? So you have to say Kerala, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Okay, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, it's border in Gujarat and Maharashtra here. Okay, Chalo. So you should know this 8 union territories and 28 states. Okay, chalo, next. Now let's come to the point. Now see, this is our world map, and where is India? India is here, and I'm assuming that you know what is latitude and what is longitude. If you don't know, I'll explain later on in geography, that will be different geography. Okay, that will be your physical geography. So where I'll be teaching latitude, longitude, everything. So you should know there is a line called 0 degree, and we call that equator, and above the equator we call northern side, and below the equator we call southern side. So India is in northern part of the world, and if you do a straight line like this and straight line like this, देखो, this is your equator and this is your GMT, or you can say that your main line that passes through London and all. So India is northern side but also in eastern side. This is eastern side, देखो, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. So India is in northern hemisphere as well as eastern hemisphere. So we call India is in northeastern hemisphere of the world. You have to know that. Okay, that's why you will see the latitude and longitude will be your north, north, east and east, like this. Okay, not south and south. If you describe Australia's latitude, then you will describe south, but India's latitude will be north and north. Okay, so just remember India is in your northeastern hemisphere of the world. Next, now some coordinates and all. Okay, see, latitude and longitude. Latitude means those are lines passes like this, like this. Okay, some lines, imaginary lines passes through India like this. Okay, so most northern line, that is yours this degree. Okay, 8.04 north, and most southern part, that this one you will say 37 mainland India, that is Andaman Nicobar Dippunja, that is different. Okay, so this is your 37.6 north. Okay, most eastern part you will say 97.25 east, and most western part is yours 68.7 degree east. Okay, do we have to remember? You don't have to remember, but just get an idea. It's 8 and 37, 68 and 97, like this. Okay, you don't have to remember the actual data. Okay, now see one more thing. From north to south, how many kilometers? It's roughly around 3214 kilometer. From north to south, it's roughly around 3214 kilometer. You have to remember this. From east to west is roughly around, from east to west is roughly around 2933 kilometer. Okay, got it? And there is a line called, imaginary line, Tropic of Cancer. You must have heard in the school. So Tropic of Cancer passes through Indian subcontinent, and the line calls 23.5 north. Okay, and it passes through 8 states. We'll see also in the next slide. Now see the next slide. So what do you have to remember here? Latitude roughly, don't remember the actual data if it's hard for you. Longitude also don't remember the actual data if it's hard for you. North to south, just imagine 3214. East to west 2933. Okay, next. Now see, these are our easternmost, westernmost, northernmost and southernmost part. Now see here, I drew a dot here, that was our northernmost latitude. So that place called Indira Call, you have to remember, this is Indira Call. Okay, and this is very important, northernmost part of the India. You have to remember this. So if in exam they ask what is the northernmost part of India, you have to say Indira Call. Next, if they ask what is the southernmost part of mainland India, mainland India means we are not counting the islands here. Okay, this is also part of India. See, this is more far southern and this is less southern. Okay, so if I ask what is the southern part of mainland India, you have to say Kanyakumari. Okay, Kanyakumari, that is in Tamil Nadu, southernmost point of mainland India. Got it? And if they ask simply what is the southernmost point of India, you have to say, sir, Indira Point. So for mainland India, it's Kanyakumari. But general question, what is the southernmost part of India? You have to say that is Indira Point. Okay, and this is in Andaman Nicobar and Island. Okay. Now, if they ask what is the easternmost part of India, you have to say Kibithu. Kibithu, that is in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, that's why Arunachal Pradesh is easternmost state of India, and they get sunrise early. Okay, what is the westernmost part of India? You have to say Guhar Moti. Guhar Moti, that is in Gujarat. So 5 points. Northernmost, Indira Call. Southernmost of mainland India, Kanyakumari. Southernmost part of India, Indira Point. Easternmost, Kibithu, that is in Arunachal Pradesh. Westernmost, that is yours, Guhar Moti, it's in Gujarat. Okay, got it? These are the 4 important points. Next, see this. Acha, I told you there is a line passes through India. Line passes through India like this. That line calls your Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Okay, don't think that this line has most number of cancer patients. That's why it's called Tropic of Cancer. No, the name of the imaginary line is Tropic of Cancer. But fortunately, this line has most number of cancer cases also. Okay, so which are the states? Gujarat, this is your Gujarat. After that, Rajasthan, this is your Rajasthan. After that, Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. After that, your Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand, then West Bengal, then your here Tripura, and then Mizoram. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 states. So in exam hall, you can see which of the following states doesn't have Tropic of Cancer. There will be Nagaland, 0. Nagaland doesn't have Tropic of Cancer. Okay, that imaginary line. Got it? You have to remember Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the states, and they might give you, arrange them in west to east, east to west, like that. Chalo. Okay, see this is better. So Gujarat, this line is Tropic of Cancer. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. And remember, Madhya Pradesh has wide, na? Madhya Pradesh length is, I guess, more than Gujarat. Yes, if I'm not sure, but Madhya Pradesh has bigger territory, okay, than Gujarat in terms of your Tropic of Cancer. Chalo. Next. Now, I will suggest you to just go through this picture. Tropic of Cancer, you see, this is the Tropic of Cancer passes through India, and there are 8 states. But Tropic of Cancer passes through so many countries also. This is your Mexico, Bahamas, then Western Sahara, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, UAE, Oman, India, China, there is Myanmar, Bangladesh, and here Taiwan. So these are the states. Can you remember? Yes, you can remember, but not now. If you are familiar with world map, where are the countries, then you can familiar with that. Otherwise, abhi to yaad karega. After 1 hour, you will forget. Okay, but I can remember because I know the world map. Where are the countries? Okay, so first you have to remember where are the countries. Chalo, next. Okay, now shape and size of our India. Total area 2.4% of the world. This is very important. Okay, 2.4% of the world, and this is 3.28 million square kilometer. Ranked 7th largest country. First Russia, Canada, USA, then China, Brazil and Australia, then our India. Mainland coastline, it's your 6100. What does it mean? You know, this is your BOB. It means Bay of Bengal. This is your Arabian Sea, AS, Arabian Sea. So these are your sea, and we call this is coastline. So if you count this kilometer from here like this, if you walk through this, if you ride a bike here like this, and if you go till this point, so this is, they are saying that 6100 kilometer. 6100 kilometer. So remember, our mainland coastline is 6100 kilometer. But total coastline including island, देखो यहाँ पे we have some islands that call Andaman and Nicobar Island. Here Lakshadweep. So if you count their coastline also including all of them, then it will be your 7516 kilometer. Got it? If you count their coastline also, Andaman Nicobar and your Arabian Lakshadweep, then you will get the total coastline of 7516. Sir, do we have to remember? Yes, you have to remember, it's very important. Okay, land frontier. Now this is your border, Pakistan, your Afghanistan, then China, then Nepal, then Bhutan, then your Myanmar, Bangladesh. So if you calculate the land frontier means this one, देखो ऐसा वाला land border from here to like this, okay, like this. This is the border of India in mainland, in your land. Okay, so this is the border, and this is also, okay, so this is your 15,200 kilometer approx. Got it? समझ में आ गया? So you have to remember this data. ठीक है? Next. Just a second. Let me check the audio is working or not. Yes, it's working. Okay, there are some questions. Okay, that asked in Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, I guess, or APPSC, Arunachal Pradesh or Andhra Pradesh, maybe. Yeah, just it's in civil service, so छोड़ो. देखो, consider the following statements. India has 3.28 million square kilometer and 2.4% of the world. अभी हम लोगों ने पढ़ाई किया था. देखो, exactly the same line. देखो, this is the same line. है ना? NCERT से उठा के दे रहा है. From NCERT they are giving. So, this is the correct. The mainland India extends from 8.4 to 37.6, 68 point to 97. देखो, we just calculated, we just wrote all of this. See this. This is your, देखो, है ना? This one and this one. चलो. So this is also correct. This is also correct. Okay, number 2 also correct. Presently India has 28 states and 8 union territories. This is also correct. So the right answer is 1, 2 and 3. ठीक है ना? So you have to know the basics. ठीक है? चलो. Next question. There will be some questions. India in size is seventh largest country. This is in Bihar Police Sub Inspector. चलो, next question. India's latitude and longitudinal extent extends from 8.4 na? Yes, this one is correct. So this is DSSB Delhi, something like that. Next question. Among of the following cities, which one lies longitudinal closest to the half of the closest to that of Delhi? Okay, this is a hard question. Okay, the answer will be Bangalore. Why? देखो, if I draw Indian map, अरे यहाँ पे मेरा Indian map अच्छा नहीं होगा. Okay, I can draw better Indian map. Okay, but in paper and all, this pen is not good for me. चलो, but still I'm trying. ऐसा इतना खराब मैं नहीं ड्रॉ करता है इसे. I have better Indian maps. Okay, चलो, but still, see, Delhi is here. This is Delhi, and if I draw a longitudinal line like this, so they are saying which one will be the closest. अच्छा, Hyderabad is like this side. Okay, and Nagpur will also be like this side. थोड़ा सा इस side में हो जाएगा. Pune will also be this side, Maharashtra में. But Bangalore na, luckily Bangalore is this exactly in the same line. It's the same longitudinal longitudinal extent. Okay, so this is Delhi and this is Bangalore. Okay, so Delhi and Bangalore, they are close to longitude. Okay, they are mostly they are in the same longitude. Okay, chalo, so the answer will be Bangalore. Next question. Okay, which of the following is correct matching of longitude and latitude? CTET. Okay, देखो, Indian Standard Meridian, that is your 82.2. Okay, we'll explain what is Indian Standard Meridian. We'll explain, don't worry. Greenwich, you all know that is 0 degree. Arctic Circle, that is yours. Antarctic Circle, that is your 66.5, and Tropic of Cancer we just आपका discuss, that is 23.5 north. So यहाँ से निकाल लेना. I just explain everything. Indian standard time, that is 82.5. 1 and 4, A and 4. I guess this one na? B2. Yes, B नहीं रे, A4. Yeah, but why B2? B2 तो नहीं होगा, C2. अच्छा, this is B1. Sorry, B1. Okay, this one correct. चलो next question. India has a land border about कितना किलोमीटर? Land border 1500 है ना? 1500 106. Land border means this one. This one. This amount of border, India land border. Okay, got it. Next. Okay, now India's geographical boundaries and maritime boundaries, neighboring and land borders. Okay, आपको समझना होगा क्या ना, north and northwest में we have Pakistan, China, Nepal and Bhutan. देखो, this is your favorite country, that is Pakistan. Then it's your Afghanistan, but we can't say Afghanistan is our neighbor because Afghanistan shares border only this much. But we can say also sometimes, देखो, Afghanistan shares border this much only, and this much, this is not our part, this is POK. So technically we can't say Afghanistan is not our border, okay, because this is all occupied by Pakistan, POK. We can't go that side legally. Okay, so this is the border of now Pakistan, or you can say like that. Okay, so Pakistan, then China, Nepal, Bhutan, and then your, yeah, this is our northern borders, north and northwestern. देखो, Pakistan is in northwest, NW. Then China is in north, Nepal is in north, Bhutan is in north. Myanmar or Burma, you can say. Myanmar is in eastern side, Bangladesh is in also eastern side. So these are east border. Okay, now they also mentioned na, Afghanistan is our border, but this is in Pakistan POK region, that is in Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Okay, this is in Gilgit Balochistan. Okay, this. अच्छा, land border 7, Afghanistan. अच्छा, 7. देखो, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Total 6 now. Okay, but if you include Afghanistan, then it will be 7 land border. So how many neighboring countries do you have by land? You have to say 6. Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. But if you consider POK also, then Afghanistan is also our neighboring country. Okay, we are sharing land border, land boundaries. Okay, neighboring country तो आ जा रहा है, but we are sharing land borders. Maritime neighbors, it's your only Sri Lanka. Okay, and here is some strait and gulfs will learn later on, but just remember Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Okay, just remember, it's important. Palk Strait, they divide India and your Sri Lanka. Gulf of Mannar is also there, just remember. Okay, chalo next. So remember the countries, okay, who are our neighbor, where we are sharing borders and all. Most disputed border, this one, then this one, Arunachal Pradesh wala for China, then your Nepal border, some Lifu Lake and all, and this is LOC disputed, LOAC also disputed. We'll discuss all of this. Okay, don't worry. What is LOC, what is LOAC, we'll discuss everything. Okay, here is some Sir Creek is there, one place called Sir Creek that we share with Pakistan, then we'll also discuss that. Okay, chalo next question. Major latitude and longitude. आपको ना, you have to remember this longitude. This passes through Mirzapur, UP. देखो, longitude mainly decide your time. Longitude mainly decides your time, and the longitude passes through here, our standard longitude, because one longitude decide one time. So India kept one longitude that passes through middle of the India like this. This will be your half part, and this will be your half part. But you know, from here to here, if you see the time difference, that is roughly around 2 hours ka. 2 hours time difference. That's why Arunachal Pradesh gets sunrise early, Gujarat gets sunrise late. Arunachal Pradesh में रात जल्दी होता है, Arunachal Pradesh gets evening early, okay, nights early. Okay, the time gap is 2 hours. But still, due to the administrative purpose, if someone just think Arunachal Pradesh time has 5 and Gujarat time is your 3. अब कब बोलेगा कि we have to come online on 5. अब क्या समझेगा you have to come online at 5 AM. अब कब आएगा वो लड़का लड़की? That's why due to administrative purpose, we just kept one timeline, that is your standard timeline, and we call that 82.3. This line called 82.3 degree. Okay, this one was 67 point something degree, 67, and last one was something like 97 or something, 97, 98 point something. Okay, so this is the difference, and always remember, if you go 1 degree equals to 4 minutes different. Suppose this is 82, next line will be 83, yes or no? 83 degree. So 82 and 83, the time difference will be 4 minute ka. If you go to the east side, the time will be 4 minute plus. Okay, so just imagine mainland India in middle, the time is in 82.3, the time, suppose the time is yours 12, and in 98, 16, 48 minutes earlier, 48 minutes early, the time will be 48 minutes plus. Okay, but due to the administrative purpose, we just kept one timeline. चलो यहाँ पे लिखा है. Next, so remember from where the line passes, Uttar Pradesh, Mirzapur. Okay, but passes through so many states, but you have to remember it passes from UP, Mirzapur. Now see from where it passes. देखो, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh. How many states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just remember 5 states. Remember 5 states. Okay. So if somebody asks, standard meridian passes through how many states? 5. What are the states? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Chalo. What is the main function of our standard meridian? That decides our time, India's time. Chalo. Next, position in the world, like located in the Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, and Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Okay, they are saying that located in the convergence of Indian Ocean. Dekho, here this is your Bay of Bengal, this is your Arabian Sea, and niche there is Indian Ocean, IO, and it's in the conversion of the one ocean and 2 seas. That's why it's control major sea lanes. Okay, and this is the only country that named by an ocean, that is Indian Ocean, or they are interlinked. Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean, India, Indian Ocean, or you can say from our India the ocean got named Indian Ocean, like that. Okay, chalo. Okay, this is the gateway of trade passes from East Asia and West Asia. Okay, control the state of Malacca. Okay, state means they go one landmass, one small water passing through between them. They call land and land. And one stream or water passes through water body. Okay, that is your strait. Okay, so 2 lands divided by 1 water body, that is called strait. Okay. अब देखो what is state of Malacca, I'll show you. See, this is our India, and this is देखो, this is Malaysia, here is Singapore. अच्छा Singapore यहाँ पे, and if China देखो, this is China wants to trade, so they have to come here and they have to go through this line and they have to cross this, and there is Andaman and Nicobar Island. That's why how we control China's trade. If China is doing something bad, we can control their trade and we'll just completely stop their trading. So business उसका नीचे चला जाएगा. State of Malacca we also, that is State of Malacca not in Indian territory or Indian आपका क्या बोल सकते हैं sea में, but whatever the whenever the ships are coming to state of Malacca, they have to cross the Andaman Nicobar, then we can control. That's why we are controlling the trades there. Okay, so this is our important strategic location. That's why Andaman and Nicobar island is too important for us also, for navy and all. Okay, so state of Malacca, it's in Singapore. Okay, Singapore, and this is your Indonesia. Okay, dividing this one. Chalo, remember this. Next, which of the following can come across if one travels through state of Malacca? Singapore, ठीक है ना? Because I just have shown you that Singapore is there. State, if you are crossing state of Malacca, you will get Singapore also. Next. Okay, there are some islands also in India. Okay, I'm saying about your sea island, not river island. River island is also there. Two important islands, that is Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Okay, just see where are they. This is Andaman Nicobar, this is Lakshadweep. Acha, volcanic and coral origin. Acha, we'll study deeply when we are discussing about our physical Indian geography. Then we'll discuss everything. Okay. Acha, near to state of Malacca, defense importance I just explained. Andaman Nicobar has a active volcano, that is very important. Barren island. In Andaman Nicobar island, there is island that is barren island, and there is active volcano. And there are some tribes, Sentinelese, Jarwas. These are the tribes found in here Andaman, and they are these days, they are like, even in this century, they are not, like, how can I say, they are not into mainstream. They just want to stay in the jungles and all. They don't know what internet is, they don't know what good clothes is, they don't know what like city. They are just staying in the jungles. Okay, chalo. Lakshadweep, this is your Lakshadweep, and this is totally coral island. Okay, and some tourism, coast and ecosystem. We'll just discuss Andaman and Lakshadweep later on. Now see, okay, these two like you can say major tribes are there in Andaman. These is Jarwas and Sentinelese. These are like, they still stay like this. Okay, cut from the world. They don't care what's happening in the world. Okay, and they don't allow any outsiders there. Okay, and government also protecting them, that you don't have to go there. It's their territory, they will stay there. Okay, chalo, next. Okay, one question came in Kerala set, that is Orangs, Jarwas and Sentinelese are the tribe of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, chalo, next. Okay, which of the following tribes not the native of Andaman Nicobar? Dekho, acha, you have to remember all of these tribes. Okay, if you are preparing for civil service, but don't give your time too much in this type of statistic question. Acha, this is the answer, Rengma, because Rengma tribe is in northeast. Okay, Rengma tribe we can found in northeast. Okay, chalo. So this is not the Andamani tribe. Chalo. Okay, some physiographic position of position summary memory map. Okay, so dekho, now just take the overview of India. We'll discuss all of these parts, all of this division deeply. Okay, in the upcoming videos. This is our Indian physiological physiographic divisions, and in the upcoming videos we will be discussing all of this through maps. But I'll just show you. This is Himalaya. This is your Himalaya. Okay, just a second. This part, this place is your Himalaya. Okay, this is your Himalaya. After that, India's Gangetic plain. This part is your plain. I'm drawing this part. Total this part is your plain area. Okay, like this. Even some part of Assam also. Deccan Plateau, this is your Deccan Plateau. It's your plateau, not mountain. Okay, this is your plateau. Coastal plain, this all are your coastal plains. Plain area, but it's coastal. Got it? Then islands, these are your islands, Andaman and Nicobar islands and all. These are your islands. So we'll discuss all of this. Acha. There is one desert, Thar desert. Also we'll study that. Okay. So this is our physiographic division of India, but we'll discuss in the next upcoming videos. Okay, chalo. Okay, as you can see, this brown color is your Himalayan part, this green color is your, this is your Himalayan part, this is yours your Gangetic plain, Ganga plain, or you can say North Indian plain, North Indian plain. Okay, chalo. Then you can say the Great Indian Desert, this one is desert, and then this one is yours coastal plains, this one is your coastal plains, this color, and this is your Deccan Plateau. Okay, and there are some islands. So these are our divisions, physical divisions of India. Chalo. Okay, there are no more slides. So what you have to do, how to study now geography after this class, you have to take your map. Just print out India's map with state or without state, anything you can take, and whatever I taught, just write there and try to draw on the map. Okay, try to draw on the map. You need 60-70 maps for whole class, not this class, for whole geography, Indian geography through maps, and just whatever I taught, you just try to draw on the maps. Okay, just take the printout of a map. Suppose you are taking this map printout and then draw a line, then write this is Uttar Pradesh, this is Madhya Pradesh, this is Chhattisgarh, and this line standard meridian passes through these states. This is how you have to make all the maps. Okay, chalo. And which book you should refer? Dekho, nowadays one single book can make you clear any exam. Okay, but for base I can say you can go through NCERT. But NCERT में भी आपको थोड़ा सा अच्छे से पढ़ना है ना. If I say if you want to study the base, just watch the video and then NCERT class 9, 10. First finish this class 9, 10. After that I'll suggest you to go for class 11 and 12. First finish class 9, 10. Then watch this video, go to ChatGPT sometimes, go to sometimes your internet. Okay, then use the PYQs. How? You will get one book of 15,000 MCQ of Manohar Pandey. Manohar Pandey. First complete this Manohar Pandey chapter wise. There is PIQs, okay, of all the central exam as well as UPSC exam and all. So first go through this, and if you find some new question, suppose that is out of your topic, like the topics I have taught, you didn't find that type of question there, then search that question on internet and write the information in your maps. Okay, I missed those information, now I got through internet or ChatGPT, I'm just writing. After that, the exam you are giving, suppose you are giving SSC, so go to SSC PIQ especially and search for the PIQs. Suppose you are giving UPSC, then go to the UPSC PIQ and see how they are asking. Mostly UPSC will be your current affair based questions, then आपका हो जाएगा theory, mostly that will be physical geography, okay, and mostly that will be your current affair based. Okay, so better first learn your NCERT, complete your syllabus, Manohar Pandey PIQs, then go to UPSC PIQ. Don't jump into UPSC PIQ first. Okay, you will feel demotivated. Achha, if you are giving state PCS like NPSC or UPPSC, any state PCS, then this book will be great for you. Manohar Pandey, 1500 MCQ, 15,000 MCQ. After solving that, go to your state PCS PYQs. Okay, this is how you have to study. But before that, watch the video, make your own notes, make your own map notes, then study NCERT, or you can do simultaneously also, reading NCERT, making your notes, reading NCERT, making your notes, then go to PYQ, then your state PYQ. Okay, so I hope you understood, and see you in the next video. Chalo, ठीक है.